Are you attracted to fashion? Do you like to wear designer clothes? Are you concerned in designing and making your own clothes? Do you like to become a fashion professional? Do you like to enhance your apparel making skills? Would you like to augment your creative abilities in fashion apparel field? Would you like to express how to design apparels? Are you confident in selecting colors? Are you interested in learning to select appropriate designs for yourself and also your family members? Would you like to know the importance of traditional textiles in India? If your answer is yes, then we have a thrilling option for you to achieve your dreams real in just 9 weeks' time. On SWAYAM portal, we are offering an easy and interesting course on apparel designing. I am Dr. A. Sharada Devi, Senior Professor in Apparel and Textiles and former Dean of Home Science from Acharya N.G. Ranga Agricultural University and Emeritus Scientist of Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi. I am the Principal Investigator and also the Coordinator for this course. It is a 3-credit course with 43 modules prepared in tune with the UGC syllabus and offered in 9 weeks. It consists of a video, text, practical illustrations, and other learning materials. After every module, I am sure you will be inspired to do the assignment and also assess your knowledge. Students will also be eligible for various job profiles that suit fashion apparel design, that is fashion designer, fashion illustrator, fashion stylist, fashion consultant, visual merchandiser, and pattern maker. Oh, is it not fascinating? Come and join the course. Make yourself acquainted to fashion